Understanding sharding in MongoDB, a deep dive. Sharding is the process of splitting a dataset into smaller pieces, called shards. Each shard contains a subset of the database and operates as an independent database. MongoDB distributes data across multiple shards. This prevents a single server from becoming a bottleneck. It also enables horizontal scaling. Why sharding is necessary? Performance bottlenecks. A single server may struggle with a higher workload from reads and writes, storage limits. Physical storage on a single server can be exhausted as datasets grow. How sharding works in MongoDB. Shards are the actual data storage units in a sharded cluster. Each shard is responsible for a subset of the data. In a production environment, shards are usually replica sets. This ensures data redundancy and high availability. Config servers. Config servers store the cluster's metadata. It includes the data distribution and shard key ranges. This metadata helps the query router determine where data is stored. Query routers, mongos. Query routers serve as intermediaries between the application and the shards. When an app sends a query, the router uses metadata from the config servers. It then directs the query to the right shards. Conclusion. In conclusion, sharding is vital in MongoDB. It handles massive datasets and ensures high performance, scalability, and availability. By distributing data across multiple servers, it prevents bottlenecks and enables horizontal scaling.